where to find help, and how to give us feedback that moves the product forward. Every page has a help link in the sidebar. The help page itself is searchable, organized by surface area. Most answers are one search away. If search misses, the assistant on the help page reads our public docs along with your role. It answers in context, not with generic articles. Command K opens the palette. Command N starts a new entry. The full list lives under Help, Keyboard Shortcuts. The product is built for the keyboard. Status, simpleintelligence.io has the live status of every Simple Intelligence Group product. Subscribe for incident notifications. That's the tour. 6 sections, 1 product. Welcome to Simple Time.